Vera, have you got a sec?
Not really.
It's about Franky Doyle, the verbal abuse charge.
Yeah, what about it?
I was wondering if you'd reconsider.
Yeah, why would I do that?
Well, Franky's a smart woman and I want to help her, but to do that, I need to give her hope for a potential future away from here.
Do you know plenty of people have tried to help Franky? They have all failed. The government's expecting me.
Well, she just needs the right mentor. You know, self-belief can mean the difference between success and failure.
I have to run it by the governor.
OK. I would have thought she'd allow you some autonomy.
Of course she does.
Right. You filed the charge. Shouldn't it be your decision?
Leave it with me.
Franky?
What do you want now?
She's done you a favour, Doyle. We both have. Don't make us regret it.
Miss Bennett has kindly agreed to withdraw the verbal abuse charge.
Miss Westfall thinks you have potential. I hope she's right.
Now, there are conditions. First, that you attend regular counselling sessions starting tomorrow. And second, that you apologise to Miss Bennett.
Is this for real? I can apply for my parole again.
If you behave.
I'm sorry, Miss Bennett. I was out of line.
This is your last chance.
See you tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Thanks, Gidget.
Bridget.
I prefer Gidget.